Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aufan Atta Fadilah. You can call me Aufan. I am from 8th grade, especially 8A. So, standing here today, I would like to do a presentation about my latest project in multimedia and diniyah, and that is dakwah video. Okay, now let's just go into the presentation. Okay, so first I want to explain to you what is a dakwah video. So, dakwah video is a type of video that is made so Muslim can strengthen their iman from the knowledge that was shared in the video. For example, the knowledge that was shared in the video, like Islamic history or hadith, and then an ayah from the Quran that can be breakdown. So, for example, for Islamic history, many people made a dakwah video about the story of the Sahabat. For example, like Utsman bin Affan and Umar bin Khattab, Ali bin Abi Thalib, and for sahabat. And then for the hadith, for example, it can be any hadith. Like here in the these two example of the dakwah video. Here the theme of the video is about scared of ghosts, but Islam tells us to not be scared of ghosts. So in Islam, ghost is like a jinn, and if you are scared of jinn, the jinn will be stronger. But if you are strong or be brave, the jinn is going to be weaker. And this is also the example for Islamic story. And then there are also some video dakwah about one ayah from the Quran that can be breakdown. For example, also in the Quran there are many Islamic story or a lesson and prayers that we can recite every day. So it brings berkah. Next, this is the Battle of Badr. That will be the theme of my story. But let me explain to you what is the Battle of Badr. So the Battle of Badr is a war that happened in 2 Hijriah or the year 2 after Prophet Muhammad SAW hijrah from Mecca to Madinah. And then one of the things that make this war special is that at first the Muslim was outnumbered by their opponents or enemies. So here the Muslims have only 313 warriors, or the people who will be battling in this war, and the opponents or the enemies only have almost 1,000 people. So the Muslim is heavily outnumbered. And also here the Muslim is just starting a new beginning after they leave Mecca after hijrah, and they don't have much things. And so here the Muslims fight with what they have, like a sword and a camel and only a few horse and a few bow. But the enemies is far more advanced, like they have more weapons, more horse, and basically more equipment that are better than the Muslim. And but here, even though the Muslim have many things to worry and was basically outnumbered by their enemy, Allah helped them, because this is the first war for the Muslim. And also when this battle happened, Allah sent one ayah to the prophet, and ayah say if someone gets zulim, or they can make war with them. And so Here Allah helped them, and at the end, the Muslim won the war. Okay, and this is my video. So, just like I said before, the video is about the Battle of Badr. And in this video, I talk about how it happened, what happened, and from beginning until the end. And I also talk about miracle that happened, how Muslims that are outnumbered and have way worse equipment can win. So I talk about what causes this war at first, and then what happened during the war. Like for example, the strategic that Prophet and the Muslim used in this war, and from the beginning until the end. And also about the miracle that happened, I also talked about it before, like the help from Allah, so the Muslims can win. But being outnumbered and have worse equipment. And so this is the style that I use in this video. So the style of video I copied or is similar to older UVTV videos. So UVTV is a channel that posts many dakwah video for like motion graphic, Islamic story, about hadis, ayah, and many more, like kajian also. And this is the style that I use in the video, and this is also how UFIT uses them. So the style is actually in the video there is an image background that is related to what is the topic, and white text with white or black text with highlighted effects. So here you can see this is about Safina, the best friend of Rasulullah. And here you can see the style of the video is like a green highlight effect and a slightly black text. And here's also the most similar that I use, that is a image background with mono filter or effect, and also the white text with red highlight effects. And this style is pretty simple to make. You can make it in Canva, CapCut, or any editing software. And so in the UFIT video, there are also some effects that you can also edit if you want to make this type of video. So here, for example, in the side, you can see there's like a paper burning effect. And here there are also like a picture or a paper that fall down. That is also an effect that you can use to make your video more interesting if you want to make it like that. And so the conclusion for that is the dakwah video is a type of video that can strengthen your iman, and you also should watch it if you are in doubt of the religion or anything. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you all for watching. All the right thing that I say is from Allah, and the wrong one is from me and Shaitan. Okay, syukran. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.